Hola, hola, hola. Hey guys, bienvenidos. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to a new year, a new month, a new everything. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a new video. It's super exciting because I get these questions. How does a family of 5 keep it minimal and keep it clutter free? How do I keep clutter-free home without paper clutter, without excessive things? Because I have little kids. For those who do not know me, my oldest is only 9, my youngest is 4, the middle is 6. So I have little kids. They like papers, they like art and craft, they like anything that is clutter. They like it. For kids, it brings them joy. They don't know any different. So how does a mom of 3 little people keeps it clean, keep it clutter free? And I wanted to do a home tour for you guys, show you guys their bedroom and little organization tips here and there. So this is going to be my family home tour. Let's get into the video. Let's go. So welcome to my entryway. So this entryway, for those who do not know, my home is about 1900 square foot, but the remaining of the square foot is actually upstairs because I have 3 floors, 3 levels, but downstairs and the middle part is a normal house. I would say like in total it's like 1100 square foot, apart from the remaining of them being like upstairs and little places that do not make sense. But welcome to my entryway, guys. So on the entryway, I keep an entryway mirror, which I got from IKEA. I keep it simple, I keep it clean. A simple table that you can put your keys on it, you can put your purse as you trying to get out or whatever. But I don't like keeping anything on there. That floral arrangement would do it for me for the winter, spring, until I change my mind, because I'm also a decor lover. I keep a rug. A rug is essential. You have to keep a rug when you have little kids, the little feet, the little shoes, and my husband's boots. I keep a rug here. So right by the door, we have a little sitting section. I put a stool right here. This is where we sit. It makes sense to sit here, remove your shoes, and then right behind it is the closet. So let me show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so this is a very narrow, very small closet. Sorry guys for the lighting, it's super bad, but I'm gonna try to keep this quick and simple and get out of here. This is where we keep all of our shoes that we take out, wear, and keep it, you know, easy going. So I know that I have overflow of shoes, so I keep a little mat on the floor that collect the shoes, so I don't have to worry about the what is it called, carpet getting super dirty. Right there I keep a little basket that has like socks and shoes, so like for visitors. Cause just have a little cute design that says love starts at home, because this is the first place we enter. We barely enter to the garage, we enter here, and then you can see that, and that reminds you of a little love. So I just keep a hand towel, sanitizer and hand soap, the mirror, trash in the back. I keep toilet papers right here, just in case it's finished and I'm not aware of it. The kids can just grab it. Well, the oldest one can grab it. The short one will start yelling for my name. I keep Kindle right here, and a cute wall art this was from my apartment, and I loved it, and I don't like getting rid of it. I just like it. And I keep another toilet paper right here, and you can just grab it, be your way. I don't keep it here because the kids, they're always making that thing fall. No matter how, I will come and tighten it up. I'm trying to live a simple life, not a stressful one. So so this is my stairs that lead up upstairs, and I will take you guys over there today. But for right now, let's check out my living room. Okay, so when you enter from the garage, this is what you see. My living room, as I mentioned previously, it's super small, but we love it because it's cozy and it's simple. I keep it very simple. Just a couple of pillows, couple of tips for you. If you're a family that has lots of little kids, try to diminish how many pillows you have, throw pillows you have on your sitting area or living room. Try to diminish that, because you know it's not fair for the kids. My kids do not care to sit here. They don't like it. It's not comfortable for them. That's why I can get away with putting those pillows there, because I know that they won't bother it. They won't sit there. They like sitting here. They just flop on it. And I love this couch. It's such a great quality. It's heavy, it's sturdy, and then the kids can just jump on it. It doesn't have like backings that will like worn out quick because I stuffed it, and I'm good. And you'll wonder, okay, so you have a white rug, a white table, and white everything here, and you have kids. My kids are well behaved, and I'm so proud for teaching them that at a young age, that we do not wear shoes. So they do not wear shoes here, and it's fine so far. When I have stains, I will clean it, and I have a rug cleaner, which I'm glad, best purchase ever made. So this is not like a regular home tour. I'm not going to go to like every detail, but I just wanted to show you guys tips and things that will keep your living room simple and not stressful. Now right here we have a throw blanket ladder, because for those who know me, I say my kids love throw blankets. As you can see, there's another one right there. They love grabbing it, and when we watch movies or watching TV, they cozy it up, and I keep at least a handful on hand so that they can just grab it and be on their way, and I don't have to worry about them going upstairs. Okay, so this is the wall you see before you get to the kitchen area, and we don't have a lot of space, and I will show you guys in the kitchen. So I just keep extra plates and glassware over here, so that when we have guests, they're able to grab it, because everything that we have there, it's literally for our family, because I found that we live here and we are the one that usually use them most, and everyone else is just a guest. So, and I just keep a lamp there because I think the lamp is super cute, and it brightens up the space if I don't want to use the light, the overhead light. Okay, sorry, the lighting is not pretty good, but I will do with what I have. So we literally have 5 stools and I had very fancy, I would say in my eyes, stools, but I switched them and I got this simple stool that are wrought iron and wood top, and it's easy for me to keep clean. As I say many times, when my kids grow up, I will go ahead and get whatever stool that I like, that I know they won't make dirty. But for now, I have to think about my family. So if you have things that the kids get dirty super easy, think about investing in something that is super easy for you to maintain, that will give you a simple and clutter-free, and in my eyes, minimal lifestyle when you begin to think intentionally. So yeah. So here I keep fruits. I no longer have fruits, it's finished. I keep fruits there. Paper towel, I don't like it to be on the countertop on its own, so I always put it on the small stool. And then there's like literally nothing. I will do one here and one there, or nothing. I prefer it to be like simple. So this is my pantry door, and this is a garage door. I keep a do not forget sign over here. We keep our keys there. Makes it easier for us to grab and go. So instead of throwing your keys anywhere and losing them, get something that you can put your kids on there. Your kids keys on it. And in here it has a little side, little like thing that you can put like paper notes or whatever, but you know, I barely use it, so I only use it for the keys. Welcome to my kids' room. I have 2 boys and a little girl. So the boys share this room, as you can see where I'm standing at, because it's super narrow. So I stand by the door to show you guys. But on the wall, I just have an ABC little thing for them to look at. I keep their bed super simple. I like their bed to be matching because I don't have to worry which one is for which. It's the same bed sheet, it's the same bed covers. I just cover them and I'm good to go. And it's super easy maintaining it because it's white. Bleach it, you're good to go. It's also super easy to fix it because it's literally a bed cover. I don't need to tuck here, tuck there. You know, that's the whole purpose of like keeping things simple. Just having something that it's easier for you to, you know, grab and go or fix and go. So since we have 2 little kids, the other one is only 4. He's not in school level yet. So one only studies and the other one does scrabbles. But when it's time for him to come and be in quiet time, because we do have quiet time. If you want to know more, the mothers, if you want to know more about quiet time, leave it in the comments and I can go into detail in a different video. But I bring the other chair right here next to him, push it a little bit, and then use it instead of squeezing both chairs there. That bothers me a lot, and sorry for that beeping noise. Right here is my organization system right there for the kids' room. It doesn't have to be fancy, it's simple, it makes sense, it's easier to get to it. I have every pencil and pen for them there, erasers and everything in that yellow thing. Right here, they grab their costumes, boys, you know, yeah, superheroes and this and that. And then down there is all the books. So this is everyone's book. So when I say go to the library and grab books, they know where to go. And that's all three of them. Their bins is right like here. Keeping a coat in our coat closet downstairs. I know, right? Ironic. It's a coat closet and I don't like keeping coats there. I don't know. I just don't like it because the kids get ready up here, so everything is up here. So just grab anything you need to grab up here and just go downstairs and go to school or go wherever you need to go. So this is all of their jackets and things like that, a couple of scarves, and they're good to go. Right here behind here is another organization system that keeps this house clutter free and their bedroom clutter free. Do you see that marker? I'm waiting for spring. When I do my spring cleaning, I will paint over it or clean it, whatever I need to do with it. But I have socks, masks, gloves, hat, extra things, belts. Everything is there and it's simple and it's clean. Behind the door is where all the boys' shoes are. I know it's quite a bit, but they got a couple of new shoes because of Christmas. So they usually have maybe 4 shoes each, but they're literally like, this is brand new, that's brand new, that is brand new, so that's brand new. So they got lots of brand new shoes, which I'm grateful because, you know, we all need a pair of shoes or two, but it's quite a bit because look, they even got all the way to the 10 shoes and they barely wear all of them. So I'm gonna have to go through it and see what needs to stay and what does not need to stay. But for now, it's perfect. It's organized. When I close this door, you do not see the shoes. It's closed, it's good, and I'm good to go. This is the boys' bathroom. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. I just keep 2 like rugs on the floor, floor mat, toilet papers. I always confuse them. Hand soap, hand towel. So I clean this once a week because I cannot keep up with this every day because this kid and toothpaste, so disgusting. But yeah, the girl and the 2 boys right here and the toothpaste in the middle to separate the toothbrush because they start complaining. Each of them have cups so that they can wash their mouth, clean their mouth. The second cabinet down there is extra toilet papers.
I'll go to my room.
Thank you, Jay. Okay, let me show them your room. Okay, so we're in my girl's bedroom. She's 9, so she's still a little baby to me at least. So I keep things very simple for her or it will be a disaster here. She has a side table, that's it. She keeps her earrings and things like that in a little earring box. Let me show you. She keeps all her jewelries right here. And yeah, the bottom one, she has some art and craft. Her bed, it's not fancy. She makes it herself, so at least it's made. That's all that matters to me. Down here, I have a little chair that the school gave to her, which I love. It's like a little reading corner because when I say quiet times, the boys go to their room and she comes right here and she comes and she reads here. She wanted a little like art thing on the wall, which gave me anxiety, but this is as much as I can do because look how huge this wall is. And there's a little thing there. I figure since she sits there, I'm gonna put butterflies there, just like pulling out, and you know, as like she's branching out as she's growing. That's literally all I can do. I'm not doing anything fancy. I have that wall art, which I love because she's my only girl, and that's a mama elephant and the baby elephant following the mom and holding on to her. Listen, let me not get teary eyes over here. And then I always encourage her to follow her dreams. She's such a big dreamer. So I always get little things that will remind her, dream big. And then the one that sits right here, it says choose your dreams. So I want her to just do things that I couldn't have done before. So this is her closet over here. Let's go in there. So these are her dress. As you can see, she's a girly girl. Oh my God, I have created a monster. She's a girly girl to the max. And I like to color coordinate her clothes. Gladys, right? And she has her hat, and she colored that. Don't mind it. This is extra hangers, and I keep a little flower there for her. And then the backpack was her birthday gift when she was 8. And she likes it. So usually we carry that when we go places. So like we put snacks and things like that. All her toys are down here. Her extra like personal things are right here. I don't want to show you guys that. Okay, so on here, this side is where she keeps her. Listen, if this girl is not organized or what? Like, look at that. Girl, it's fancy. So I bought this for her since she was little to keep her bows, but she has continued keeping them there. So it makes it easier. So guys, if you have a little girl and you have little bows and stuff, instead of putting them in bins, just display them like that. It's easier to see, it's easier to grab. And she has like, you know, her shoes all right here, PJs, everything there. Today my camera is not good. Sorry guys, but yeah. Now right there, there is a desk right here. So I kept a mirror for her, a desk and a chair, kept it simple, clutter free. She loves unicorns, so hey, why not? I don't care for unicorns, but this is not my room. So there goes Giroux's unicorn. And the little mirror, she can barely even reach that mirror. She's like right here. So she sees like the tip of her head is right there. So behind here is how her is. Like the boys, she keeps her jacket back here and her backpack for school right there. And yeah. So this will be all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. It's my pleasure filming it for you guys. If you're new to my channel, I would truly appreciate if you click on that subscribe button for the oldie but the goodies. I am truly grateful for you coming back every week. God bless you. Take care, guys. Bye.